So, Superb Superheroes 2026 continues unabated. Alec Baldwin is a slippery son of a bitch, especially when he wears a sexy hat and a red cravat. And I've got a gentleman here who knows more about Alec Baldwin than you've ever forgotten. Patrick B. Bellix, live and in charge. Now, why did you demand that we put The Shadow on our list today for Superb Superheroes? Remember, you are under oath.
Optimism that perhaps something like this would actually happen in the world, because, by the way, there's a lot of billionaires and millionaires out there. This still hasn't happened.
And he is, in fact, Lamont Cranston, wealthy man about town. So we're going to get going right now. It's a superb day. It's a day of madness, a day of wild exuberance, a day for superb superheroes. Not a day for sobriety.